Hi, welcome to iDesign. First of all, congratulations for reaching to us. It shows your seriousness to learn jewelry designing. And today I'm going to tell you 4 different variations of jewelry designing. So it starts from manual jewelry designing, then it goes to coral jewelry designing, Procreate and CAD designing. So let's understand what is manual jewelry designing. It helps you to become a proper jewelry designer, which is a base of jewelry industry. So it is very good to start your career in jewelry designing with learning manual first. So let's take a look on manual designing. So this is one type of manual jewelry designing, which is completely drawn manually on the paper first, then the rendering and coloring process. It is very important to understand all different types of jewelry diamond settings, which you will be understanding in manual jewelry designing only. After making the designing, you can get into CAD designing process, and post CAD you can come up to this type of outcome. So this is just a design, this is a side view, and also people learn in advance isometric view of jewelry. So after CAD, it will help you to come up with bulk production, and it is easy to get into a jewelry industry. So CAD designing also helps you very well, and you'll be learning all the settings in detail, whether you're learning jewelry manual or you're learning CAD. So in CAD, you will be exploring all different types of settings with their depth, with their channel, with their all different types of 3 views. So all the details you will be learning at iDesign classes. Then you can learn coral jewelry designing, where you can draw all the designs same as manual on computer. This makes your job fast and easy, and also coral output is also different. So coral designing industry works differently. So but people who wants to learn jewelry designing and they wanted to draw but they are not good enough with their drawing, they can definitely opt for coral jewelry designing. Now let's understand Procreate. Procreate is nowadays in trend. It makes your job very fast and easy. Whereas if you learn things on manual, you need lot of different type of stationaries to work with your design. So here everything is inbuilt, and you can create beautiful real jewelry designs along with all skills of learning how to make diamond brushes, metal rendering and coloring process, then creating all different types of jewelry designs, necklace, different types of earrings, bangles, finger rings, everything, but more in detail, more with perfection. And here is the outcome you can check on the Procreate. So this is how Procreate will help you to come up easily and faster than manual in jewelry design. As I said, there are 4 different types of courses. So they all have different durations. It starts from basic 2 months program, and also we offer an advanced course of 6 months. So once you are done with the whole process of drawing, coloring, rendering, learning about different types of gemstones, metallurgy, also diamond settings, post that it comes to portfolio making. So in portfolio, which is very helpful and important to make and present in companies to get good placements. So here is some example I'm sharing with you, where you learn how to present your designs with proper planning and also portfolio making details. So in basic, it starts from all different types of gemstones, coloring process, rendering, and then learning all different types of jewelry forms like necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and gemstone settings, and also basic band creation and their different types of views. And the whole portfolio will help you with a better planning and better outcome to present your designs in companies. So there are different types of career opportunities after learning this course. I'll suggest you which type of jewelry designing course you should choose for. People who wants to become a jewelry designer, they can choose manual jewelry designing, or they can go for coral. If they are not good enough with their sketching and drawing, they should go for coral jewelry designing. And in case if you just wanted to explore and work with faster technology, then you should go for Procreate. And people who wants to do CAD designing, they are actually not jewelry designers. They can become CAD designer but not a jewelry designer 100%. So who wants to become a proper jewelry designer, they can get into manual jewelry designing first, and post that they can go for CAD designing, or else they can go for coral designing first and then go for a CAD designing. Procreate is just a software which you can explore after learning manual or coral jewelry designing. So Procreate also is a good opportunity, but just by learning Procreate, you cannot become 100% certified jewelry designer. So my opinion is to get into jewelry designing manual first. Post that you can get into CAD designing and Procreate. After learning jewelry designing, whether you are doing any of the courses like manual, Corel, or CAD, Procreate, you can become a freelancer jewelry designer. You can work as a jewelry designer under jewelry manufacturer units, and you can work with branded jewelry stores. You can also get into designing manufacturing industries at SEEPs, and after taking experience of jewelry designing, you can become a head of the department. You can work as a quality control team. You can also get into your own jewelry manufacturing unit. Thank you for showing your interest. For more details about course, you can click on the link given below.